Hello, this is Patrick White with your Thursday, August 28th morning market update. Grain markets are strongly higher here overnight. December corn is up 3.5 cents at 357 and a quarter. November soybeans are up 10 and 3/4 cents at 935 even. Corn is seeing some strong buying here this morning as the trade is still concerned over weather in the near term, and they are also getting excited here about export sales. This morning, new crop export sales were reported at 1.18 million metric tons for the new crop marketing year versus 700,000 to 1.3 million metric tons expected. So those were reported towards the upper end of the range there. In addition, the hot and dry weather forecast for the next 3 to 4 days here is also keeping us a bit higher here, as well as has caused short covering to really pick up speed. December corn has now traded about 2 cents away from this summer's resistance level between 360 and 363. This morning we're sitting right around that 357 area. I think that this is, that 360 to 363 is probably the target for the near term. With that expectation around yield getting smaller and demand picking up, the path of least resistance should be higher. However, the price within, the few cents of summer highs here and the strong fast rally that we've seen, I think it would be a good idea to protect some cash corn here with some puts. Just my opinion. You can talk to me about that. Soybeans are sharply higher here this morning. Traders rallied last night in anticipation of the export sales report this morning. This morning, the USDA did report weekly export sales at 1.87 million metric tons of new crop versus 1.2 million to 2.2 million expected. So that was near the upper end of the range there as well. Additionally, the hot and dry conditions, just like corn, expected for the next 3 to 4 days, are keeping us a bit higher here in beans. November soybeans are at highs not seen since January 29th of this year, reaching the 935 level. And if we break above there, the next area of resistance is 945 to 950. Yesterday, Bloomberg ran an article as well here, and they said that they expect China to import up to 40 million metric tons of soybeans, and that would be about 10 million metric tons of beans ahead of where most people are expecting. So that would be pretty big. That'd be about 360 million bushels there. So, obviously the dry weather and demand is keeping grains higher across the board here today, and the path of least resistance higher. So hopefully we can find some good marketing opportunities for our producers and keep this uptrend going for the speculators. So that's all I've got for today. Have a productive day out there, and remember that there is a significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712 262 7606.